Ah! There. Well, that didn't work. Okay. Sometimes you gotta just use a hacksaw. Okay, what's up, babe?
I'm gonna park my car.
Okay, go park your car. Dinner is served.
Thank you, Robert. I'm flagging it
Okay,
right now.
Anna and I are sitting here having a long conversation late into the night. Look at her. There she is. Look at that. We've shed a few tears, used up half my tissue box, you know. We're just talking about a couple different things, but how we need to be nice to each other. Try to avoid, you know, saying things that are harmful to the other person. Being secure in yourself by allowing space. Space is okay in a relationship. Number 3, third takeaway. What's the third takeaway?
Get out of your head.
Yeah, get out of your head. I don't know. I kind of want to live on your head right now. Look at all that hair. I could live in there. Dang. That is some hair.